Today is the 13th of June 2021. This is really nice. It's on Palokorvenkatu 7. Stekesi here in Kerava, a part of Helsinki's forest region in Uusimaa, Finland. And the capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams. There are 3 staircases here. We will also go to the staircases A and B, which also have elevators.
Yeah.
So it's still original. And it's one of the very few ones in this quarter that have been preserved. The other ones are already replaced. And this was built in 1993 with novel elements fixtures by Kone. And the capacity is 4 persons or 25 grams. The serial number is H67544. It turned 25 years old in 2018. And now 6 was here. And that's right. It will be inspected in next year, 2022. I like the red-violet color of the doors.
Same here.
It is very nice.
Yeah.
It's a color that they chose in the 1990s. Sometimes they chose it. I don't think it has full memory.
Yeah.
For one could have been with a green star here.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a spare part. I don't know. Or they use those the ones without it.
Yeah.
And the next ride should be silent.
Yeah.
I love the smell in here.
No, same here. Spektiitpaikkivais, mutta mä en tiedä paikka on.
And it's the same age as me, or if it's, I don't know if it's early, but
Yeah.
same year when I was born. It's quite fresh.
Yeah.
I also like the sounds from the vibration here.
That's it.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. You can also watch this staircases A and B here when we get it filmed.
That's